Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting LinkJoy, your one-stop solution for your URL requirements. Do your social media followers seldom visit your website? Are you looking for a solution to boost your website's traffic? Try LinkJoy. For only $49, avail our lifetime deal, and you can increase digital presence and raise your website's traffic. LinkJoy is a social media tool that will assist you in increasing traffic to your website. It will help you in raising brand awareness, increasing lead generation, and retargeting one-time visitors. Create feeds that looks like yours and includes links to your posts. With LinkJoy, make portfolios, generate leads, gain followers, or simply reroute your existing followers. Increase conversions and engagement by targeting custom branded retargeting links. Make your products and services stand out by customizing the layout and including calls to action to increase conversions. With LinkJoy, you can also monitor unique clicks on your content and track the types of content your audience prefers with the smart in-depth analytics feature. Create a clickable, optimized landing page with your single link, making it easier for your followers to visit where you want them to go. Followers who click on your bio link will view your feed, which includes clickable graphics that they can access to start shopping or browse your website pages. LinkJoy's real-time analytics also allow you to track ROI and see how people interact with your links and post directly from your site. With LinkJoy, build custom micro-landing pages to send your viewers to the exact location you want them to go. LinkJoy's lifetime deal starts at only $49. Save as much as $800 if you purchase our lifetime deal today. Get unlimited access to LinkJoy right now. Check out more details and get lifetime access today at a super discounted price by clicking the link in the description below. Look through our collection of lifetime deals today, available on the right side of your screen. You will find software solutions at super low prices. Hit that like button and subscribe to get our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.